Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Clash of Clans with Supercell ID. Logging into Clash of Clans using Supercell ID is the safest and easiest way to access your village on any Android or iOS device. Whether you are switching phones, reinstalling the game, or recovering your old base, this tutorial will help you log in without losing progress. First of all, open the Clash of Clans app on your device and wait for it to load up to the main screen. Once you're inside, go to the gear button at the bottom right corner, and then you will see Supercell ID option at the top, and which should be labeled as disconnected. Simply tap on the disconnected button and then click on next. Keep pressing next and then click on get started. Here, if you already have a Supercell ID, you can click on yes, log me in. If you don't have a Supercell ID, you can create one by tapping on create a new ID. Since I already have a Supercell ID, let's tap on yes, log me in and click on continue. On the next page, write down your email associated with your Supercell ID in the text box and click on login. You'll now receive a verification code sent to your provided email inbox. Go ahead and open up the code inside your inbox and type it down in the text box. After typing in the correct code, click submit. Now click on load once your account has been found, and you have successfully logged into Clash of Clans with your Supercell ID. Your player name and town hall will now appear. You can now play your same village on any device and never worry about losing progress again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.